All right, so Zimbabwe's medical doctors and health experts have warned the country's citizens, and they've warned them, of course, particularly about this. We know that, of course, they've been calling for low-profile Christmas, as you can see there on your screens. But this, of course, to have Christmas at home, as, of course, the Omicron variant spreads across the country as well as the SADC region.
Yeah, there's been a surge in the country over the past 2 weeks from just under 400 new cases and one death recorded on the 30th of November to where we are now, to over 6,000 cases and 6 deaths recorded on Friday.
Well, here's eNCA correspondent Pindai Dube with more on the story.
Zimbabwean doctors say a low-profile Christmas and New Year holidays is the way to go. A leader of one of the doctors' associations in the country speaks.
For sure, our Christmas won't be very bright. It will be a bit on the bleak side, I'm very sure. We are likely going to see a lot of cases, high morbidity and mortality coming, especially starting next week. We do not have to be complacent in terms of COVID control. We should remain very vigilant. We should start to stick to public health measures that were put in place, that include masking up, that include social distancing, that include sanitization.
Health experts say complacency will cause huge spikes in Omicron cases and hospitalizations.
If we continue to lower our guard, unfortunately, we are going to see a serious spike in terms of the numbers of people being, infected with COVID-19. Unfortunately, we are also going to witness an increase in the number of hospitalizations and even death.
Meanwhile, the country's mass vaccination program is underway. Just over 3.9 million people have received one dose, and 2.9 million people are fully vaccinated. Most have received the Chinese Sinopharm and Sinovac vaccines. Pindai Dube, Harare, Zimbabwe.